Create a mudroom that acts as a high-functioning sports gear command center between the garage and the kitchen. Design the layout around traffic flow and storage zones so everything has a place and everyone can drop gear without tracking dirt into the kitchen. Start by mapping entries and busiest routes, then allocate dedicated cubbies labeled with each family member's name and sport to prevent mix-ups and speed cleanups. Integrate ventilated shoe storage with slatted shelves or wire bins to reduce odors and accelerate drying, and pair that with a bench that includes a built-in boot drying feature such as removable trays and a low-voltage drying fan or simple trickle vents to avoid mildew. Use heavy-duty flooring rated for moisture and impact, like porcelain tile or textured commercial vinyl, and slope a small area toward a discrete floor drain to manage wet spikes after practice or muddy boots. Add a row of sturdy hooks at 2 heights for coats and duffel bags, plus open shelving for helmets and clear labeled bins for small items like mouth guards and tape so you can see contents at a glance. Finish with task lighting above each zone and a washable wall surface near the entrance to make regular cleaning fast and predictable. People often crowd the entry, which ruins organization, so avoid undersized storage by measuring needs first and sizing cubbies for the largest items you own. A second common mistake is trapping moisture and creating odor, which you prevent with ventilation, removable washable liners, and a drying protocol such as removing liners to the laundry twice weekly. Finally, homeowners sometimes skip durable finishes and end up with chipped paint and warped trim. Choose water-resistant trim, continuous base molding, and floor transitions designed for heavy use to keep maintenance low. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists project ideas that match high-use family entryways. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world solutions.